Hello everyone, I am Dr. Priyanka and I'm a practicing dentist. For all those who are new, I make videos on oral health, basics of oral health. So please consider subscribing to this channel. So today's video is all about oral health and your diet. Now, I'm not going to go into details of your diet, but I'm just going to give like a brief outline of how an ideal diet should be according to your age group. Now, I feel Indian meal is the best diet anyone can have because it consists of everything carbohydrates and your proteins and your minerals, fats, everything. So, I would encourage definitely everyone to go for an Indian meal only. Now, starting with your teenage group. Now, this is the age group where one is in the pink of their health and the best of their dentition and your oral health also. So, they can literally bite on and chew on anything they want to. So, Indian food, again, a home cooked and freshly cooked food is very important. Now, that should include your vegetables, rice, and a dal, roti, chapatis, anything. I would specially recommend this age group to have a lot of fruits and salads and green leafy vegetables, dry fruits again. I know that this is age group like most of the college boys and girls tend to binge on a lot of junk food and burgers and pizza and a lot of bakery products. Once in a while it is still fine, but I think having like a good home cooked food is very important. Again, moving on to our next age group, that is your adults. Now, this is an age group which is sandwiched between like a youngster and they're marching towards their old age. So they have to be extra careful about whatever they are eating. Few important things or few important modifications in their diet can drastically change their health. First and most important is limiting your sugar intake and your salt intake. Next is limiting or having an alcohol consumption in moderation or absolutely no alcohol is also the most recommended. Avoid anything which is very oily or spicy because this is the age group where people men and women who already are into like work life balance under a lot of stress inherently. Most of the people are undergoing a lot of health problems like joint aches and most of the kidney stones, bile stones, and weight gain, which is the most important health concern all the adults are facing. So keeping in mind these points definitely would help them to have like a fit body. Again, home cooked food which is freshly cooked is very important, and at the same time I would give special importance to hydrating your body. As much as your food is important, so is hydration. So 7 to 8 glasses of water daily I think is very essential to maintaining a good health. Again, as far as your oral health is concerned, I would really suggest not to bite on anything extremely hard or sticky because this is the age group where people have a lot of dental prosthesis in their mouth. So, to be extra careful about that, one needs to be really attentive towards whatever they're putting in their mouth. So, try and avoid a lot of sticky and extremely hard foods to chew. Next is the senior citizen age group. People who are 60 plus and above are generally referred to as senior citizens. Now, this is a very important age group because already your body has undergone a lot of wear and tear. Most of the senior citizens have a lot of health problems as well. As far as your oral health is concerned, I think there are certain people who have all teeth, there are certain people who have few teeth, and there are certain people who have no teeth at all. Now, people who have all the teeth in their mouth have to be like need to know that even though they have all the teeth present, they are not necessarily completely functional or in a good health as they were in your adulthood or in your young age, because as your body ages so does your teeth. So you have to be again extra careful of whatever you're eating. Second is like when people have few teeth. Now in such conditions where people may have a dental prosthesis, or there are certain people who don't have any prosthesis at all, so they are eating with whatever teeth they are left with. Next is people who have no teeth. Now there are certain people who have are using either a complete set of dentures or they have full mouth implants in their mouth. So accordingly, and keeping all these factors in their mind, they have to modify their diet. Now this is the age group where generally I would recommend a semi-solid to soft to a lot of liquid diet, because considering not just your general health but your oral health, people cannot have like a very hard food or a very solid food. So anything which is home cooked, again, your dal rice, vegetables which is cooked and soft, and your rotis and chapatis is mostly recommended, because in this age group people cannot chew on anything which is like hard, because of course the health condition, sorry, the teeth conditions keeping in mind, and green leafy vegetables, because most of the time people complain of food getting stuck in their mouth. So green leafy vegetables again, and hard or sticky food is not an option. Again, I would recommend them to have fruit juices instead of fruits, because of the oral health. I think most of the senior citizens cannot have full fruits, so I would recommend them to have juices, but which should not be sugar coated. Anything which is the natural sugars, I think accordingly the juice has to be consumed. Next, keeping in mind your medications and their side effects, your health, and the other health conditions, your diet has to be modified. Few people tend to have like problems related to your kidneys. So again, I would not recommend the 7 to 8 glasses of water which I would recommend to an adult age group to senior citizens. So this is a very, I would say, a very critical and a delicate phase of your life, where you have to be really mindful of what you eat and what you drink. So everything has to be in moderation and in proportion as well. So I think that's it for today's video, and I hope this information was useful.